This is Maple Rock Residence, a stunning home designed by Scott Edwards Architecture, located in Portland, United States. Spanning 7,500 square feet, this contemporary masterpiece blends modern design with the natural beauty of the Pacific Northwest. Designed for both entertainment and art display, the home features expansive glass walls, allowing natural light to flood the interiors while offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The open-concept living spaces seamlessly connect to outdoor patios, creating a harmonious indoor-outdoor experience. Rich wood tones, sleek metal finishes, and carefully curated materials create an elegant yet warm ambiance. The thoughtful design reflects a milestone in the homeowners' lives, making it not just a house, but a statement of style and sophistication. The living area of Maple Rock Residence features a striking double-height ceiling with warm wooden paneling, complemented by floor-to-ceiling windows that invite natural light. A dark, textured fireplace wall anchors the space, while an open layout seamlessly connects to the kitchen and outdoor terrace, creating a harmonious flow between indoor and outdoor living. The kitchen features a sleek, modern design with matte black cabinetry, integrated appliances, and a spacious island. Open shelving and warm wood flooring enhance its minimalist elegance. The dining area seamlessly integrates with the open-plan living space, featuring warm wood flooring, floor-to-ceiling glass doors, and a minimalist aesthetic that enhances natural light flow. The bedroom features floor-to-ceiling glass doors, offering seamless indoor-outdoor connectivity. Warm wood flooring, soft textiles, and natural lighting enhance the serene, contemporary design. The bathroom showcases a freestanding tub, floor-to-ceiling glass panels, and natural wood accents, creating a seamless connection between modern design and the surrounding landscape. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.